This is our outdated way of thinking. I agree with the comrades. We will. That's how he granted those things. So we were like, So if we have had access to this man, we wouldn't have been here. We would have resolved all these issues long ago. So to be honest, the way he intervened and made the military people look as people who are not thinking, gave us a lot of joy. And we all walk away from the meeting, happy and all that. And I did thereafter. He was always attending our May Day programs. And of course, in our May Day programs, we make military speeches, which are not usually too flattering. And he learned to absorb that. So that was my